Hello and welcome to my second visit of Istanbul. I arrived again at the Istanbul International Airport. The airport is about 35 kilometers northwest of the Istanbul city center. It is one of the biggest and most beautiful airports in the world. Based on my positive experiences from the first day, I have rented a room again in the Beyoglu district. After unpacking my bags, I get hungry, so I decided to go out on the area and get something to eat. Some impressions of Taksim in the Beyoglu district at night, where there is always something going on until 4 a.m. The next day I decided to take one of the popular boat tours over the Bosphorus. I bought the double-way ticket for about $4. From now on, one moment of silence for you to enjoy the view over the Bosphorus. So my next destination was the Dolmabahce Palace in the Besiktas district. I spent the whole day there. The price was about $12, including the entrance to the harem and the museum. The palace was commissioned by Sultan Abdülmecid I and constructed between 1843 and 1856. So on one of my last days I decided to go to a place more relaxing and where mostly Turkish people go on the weekend. If you liked the video and want more, please leave a like or subscribe, or maybe join one of my other social media accounts. It would be a pleasure to see you or to read a comment. Please take care and stay tuned.